Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hi everyone, this is Zavardi and today I'm showing you how I did this letter embroidery in simplest way for beginners, and as always, I hope you guys enjoy. I print and cut preferred letters, of course your choice of fonts and size, but if it's hard for you to decide, well, you can search on the web for better letter designs that you like most. Then carefully trace on the fabric. You may use masking tapes so it would not move and stay on place. I know there's a lot to learn today, so stick with me, and as always, if you like this video or you learned something new, please like and subscribe with notifications. It really helps. I'm using 6 strands of threads. You may use more than 6 if you like, and just not one end of those. Using embroidery ring, attach it to the fabric where the traced letters located. And now we're ready to sew. Just do straight stitch following the pattern. Just keep going. I know this is a bit time-consuming, but it's worth when you see the final result. Patience is the key. watching! Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. next time!